Arithmetic progression. Example, which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 so on continue is 78? Answer 3, 8, 13, 18 so on continue. Here first term A is 3 and common difference 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is 5 and last term is given here. An is 78. We have to find out n, number of terms. We have the formula An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D is the formula. An is given 78 is equal to A. A is 3 plus n, find out, minus 1, D 5. Now 3 take left side, it becomes 78 minus 3 n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3 is 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Therefore n minus 1 is equal to 75 divides 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 ones are 5. 2 remains 25. 5 5s are 25. n minus 1 is equal to 15. n is equal to 15. Minus 1 take right side becomes plus 1. n is equal to 16. So 16th term is 78.